Okay, let's get started. The hood was a little worse, but only has 2 dents. It has one right here, and it has another one. I was planning on hitting it with a screwdriver and a hammer, the hood open, but I don't want to fuck it up more. So I'm just gonna sand it and just put Bondo over it. I recently finished doing the front suspension. I mean, I didn't get the death wobble on the freeway, but I felt it sway a little bit, so I don't know. I mean, for sure I need leaf springs, but I'm trying to see what lift I'm going with, because initially I wanted to do a 2-inch, and then I said 2.5, and then I'm like, if I'm gonna do 2.5, might as well do like 3 or 3.5, right? I don't know, that's where I'm at. Alright, so the tools you're gonna need, obviously first you're gonna need your sandpaper, got 100 grit to remove the paint faster. 220, so we can start smoothing things out. Probably 320. And we need a Bondo repair kit. Comes with a hardener. Also, I'm gonna use this cardboard to mix it. Well, these are the spatulas. Let's get started. That shit sounds. I think we could get away with it. Yeah, 220 is fine. Get a close up real quick. The hood, pues ahí va. Aquí tiene como unos bumps, but they're going, oh, right here. You can barely see, I don't know if you can see them. Alright, so I'm gonna get the hardener. Just want it to look all even in color. And then we're ready to apply. Gotta be quick though. Try to fucking quick. Just remember light coats. Pretty good. Let's do a quick walk around. Kind of sanded right here. Door has a few blemishes right there too. Got those. The fender's the worst. Just need a tougher grit. I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Just did like little sanding on the Jeep. And keep putting up like little videos like this. You know, just keep the momentum going. Shout out to the people. Shout out to the new people that subscribed. I think I gained like 14 or 15 followers this past month, so I really appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, it's drivable. I could drive it. It's just kind of, I'm still kind of iffy because, you know, I got hit, so I don't know. I still need to practice a little bit more. Overall, I mean, I was planning to clean the inside today, but I don't know, I probably won't. Probably do that shit tomorrow. And see you guys next video.